Hey guys, Tepco Cycle Repair. Today's a big day for me. I'm super excited. As you guys know, I've been flipping bikes like crazy. If you're watching my channel, the KX85, the YZ250, the CR250, this bike right behind me, this Shadow. I've been flipping bikes like crazy to get a new bike. I'm going to pick it up this morning. I'm super excited, guys. Stay tuned. You're going to love it. Please hit the like button, subscribe. Here we go. Hey guys, so we're heading that way. The closest Beta dealer is an hour and 40 minutes away. There's two of them. They're both the same distance. So I'm going to the one in North Carolina. It's called Brewers. That's where we're heading now. So we're jamming on it, guys. Pedal to the metal. All right, guys, we're here. They got it parked out front. It looks freaking awesome. Let's go take a look. All right, guys, we're going to check it out. Look at that thing. Woo. It's freaking beautiful. Man, look at that thing.
There's not a speck of dirt.
Woo. Looks good, guys. Let's go in and lay down the greenbacks. Here we go. All right, guys, it's done. Everything's paid up. Title in hand, is ready to go. Let's load it in the van and get this thing home and get it riding. This thing is beautiful. It is beautiful, guys. Woo, can't wait to ride it. Let's get it loaded up. All right, guys, so here it is in the shop. I just got the seat and the side cover off just to check the air filter, make sure it's oiled good, make sure everything is good to go. There's a couple little things I don't like that I need to address. Let me show you one. So the oil line right there, you can see it. So here's your oil line, and this piece right here, although it is plastic, it seems like it's kind of this right here, as this line, if I push it out a little bit, you can kind of see how it's kinked a little bit already. So when this gets, right now it's really cold out, so it's in the 30s, but right now if this gets soft, I can see it's got a little dent in there already, and it hasn't even been run yet, the bike. I'm just going to take that bracket off. I don't think it needs to be there. So I'm going to take that off. It's held in place here with a rubber cushion, and it can just float. And it also has a guide in the bottom of the airbox boot down in here that will guide the line this direction. So there's no harm in it just letting it float there. It's not going to hit the pipe. It has the other vent lines that are going to stop it from coming over. It's just no point in having that one on there. So I'm going to take that off. So I don't know how much oil they put in the tank. They just said they put a little bit, but they don't know. And it looks like for some reason it's really red right here, and then the rest looks like regular fuel. Like I don't even think it's mixed together. So I'm going to dump all this gas out of here because I don't know what's going on there, and they didn't know how much oil they put in. So I'm going to dump all that out. I'm also going to dump out the oil that's in the cap, because when I asked them what kind of oil they use in there, I really didn't get a clear answer. So I'm taking all that out. I'm going to be running AMSOIL Interceptor there in the tank. And I'm going to run in Avgas in there. The first 5 hours it says to run it at 1%, which is 100 to 1 in this beta. In the 200, the 125 is 3%. So if you're reading it online and people are telling you to run 3% in these, that's incorrect, and you're going to have a mess. 1% for the first 5 hours it says. So that's what we're going to do. This is the 200. All right, guys, so a couple of things here. I want to make it clear that there's a few things on this bike that's going to happen. Number one, I'm going to ride it in the street. Number two, I'm not going to deal with port jetting. And number three, I'm not going to deal with spooge. So I'm going to get this bike jetted right. I'm going to tell you guys every time, whatever I do to it to get it right, it's going to burn clean. It's not going to spooge all over the place. It's not going to blow smoke. You can check out my other videos. Two strokes don't smoke. Because it's a fact. If it's running good, it should be burning everything. Just because you have oil in there doesn't mean it should be blowing smoke. That's just not true. So it's going to run good. I'm going to run the street, guys. Stay tuned. I got a bunch of videos coming up with this one. The first one I'm going to be doing is just prepping it right out of the box, and what we do before I even ride it to get it all ready and to make sure that all the connections are good and everything I'm going to do. So please hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for further notification. Until next time, guys, let's get some beta videos. Tepco Cycle Repair.